Join me as I dive into the numbers and try to figure out the real YouTube pay per 1,000 views in 2024. So, let's talk about YouTube monetization. One of the most burning questions on every creator's mind is, how much can I earn per 1,000 views? It's an essential question, especially for those looking to turn their channel into a full-time income. But the problem is, there's so much misinformation out there, it's hard to know what to believe. When it comes to YouTube earnings, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around. Some people think it's all about views, subscribers, and likes. Others believe it's about creating viral content that reaches millions of people. And then there are those who think it's all about the algorithm, and if you just follow the right formula, you'll be raking in the cash. But the truth is, it's not that simple. The reality is, YouTube earnings are affected by a multitude of factors, including your niche, audience demographics, ad types, and more. It's not just about creating viral content, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience and attracts the right advertisers. And let's be real, the algorithm is always changing, so it's hard to keep up with what works and what doesn't. Many creators struggle to maximize their revenue because they don't understand how these factors impact their earnings. They might be creating great content, but if they're not targeting the right audience or using the right ad types, they're leaving money on the table. And that's why it's essential to have a clear understanding of how YouTube earnings work. So, what are the factors that influence YouTube pay rates? Well, let's start with niche. Different niches attract different types of advertisers, and some are willing to pay more than others. For example, finance and technology niches tend to have higher ad rates than, say, vlogging or entertainment niches. That's because finance and tech brands are often willing to pay more to reach their target audience. Another factor is audience demographics. If your audience is predominantly young adults with a high disposable income, you're likely to attract more lucrative advertisers. On the other hand, if your audience is mostly stay-at-home parents or retirees, you might not attract as many high-paying ads. Ad types also play a significant role in YouTube earnings. Display ads, video ads, and sponsored content all have different pricing models and revenue potential. For example, video ads tend to be more lucrative than display ads, but they also require more viewer engagement. The combination of these factors can have a significant impact on your YouTube earnings. A creator in a high-paying niche with a highly engaged audience and the right ad types can earn significantly more than someone in a lower-paying niche with a less engaged audience. So, what's the actual average pay per 1,000 views in 2024? Well, based on current trends and data, it's around $1.50 to $2.50 per 1,000 views. That's lower than what it was a few years ago, mainly due to changes in the advertising industry and increased competition on the platform. But here's the thing, this is just an average. Your actual earnings can vary significantly depending on your niche, audience, and ad types. Some creators might be earning much more than this, while others might be earning less. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Firstly, it's essential to understand the factors that influence your YouTube earnings and optimize your channel accordingly. Secondly, don't rely on averages, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and attracts the right advertisers. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on YouTube earnings in the comments below. If you're looking for more insights on YouTube monetization, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies.